Good morning. Dave Luehr here, coming to you from Toronto, Canada. And happy Monday to everyone. It's Motivation Monday. And you are not joining me live right now. I'm probably somewhere in between Toronto and Collingwood, Ontario, where I'm going out to visit another incredible body shop to help them reach their next level of performance excellence. I'm so excited. And I'm also excited to be here with you. It's Monday. I want you guys to have a fantastic week this week by working on the right things, right? So have you ever heard the saying, you can have anything you want in life if you just, right? If you just work hard enough. Well, I'm here to tell you this morning that that's total BS, right? Having a good work ethic, working hard is certainly a given to success. But the problem that I see far too often when I meet with body shop owners all over the world is they're working hard and they got nothing to show for it, right? Some of the hardest working people I've ever met are those of you out in the collision industry. But when I meet people in their 60s, 70s that have been doing this their entire life, their business is running them, they're miserable, and they are still working hard, doing the wrong things righter. This is a bad habit. This is a bad cycle that you must break your way out of, right? And it begins with challenging your beliefs on what hard work really means, right? So if your approach is not working currently, I encourage you to go out and try a different approach until you find something that works, okay? It's also incredibly important that each day, instead of just opening the door to your business and letting the day take you where it wants to take you, that you take some time in the morning to set the intention, maybe even create a to-do list for yourself to figure out what is truly important. What are things that are gonna move me towards my vision of success? And what can I accomplish today to move me closer to that? That's working hard on the right things that are continued to move the needle in the direction that you actually want to go in a proactive manner as opposed to a reactive manner. I hope that makes sense. So you got to get focused on your goals. You got to create a to-do list, set sail towards the things that you want in life. Don't be a rudderless ship sailing around in circles on the ocean of mediocrity. God, that sounded great. I will see you guys here next Monday. I hope you have a killer week this week, and I will see you as always next Monday on Motivation Monday. If today's message resonated with you, it would mean a great deal to me if you would share it with somebody that you care about. Thanks for joining me here on Facebook Live, Elite Body Shop Solutions. I'm Dave Luehr, also on our Dave Luehr YouTube channel. See you next week.